In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Qikink with Shopify. This will enable you to leverage the amazing print-on-demand services offered by Qikink directly through your Shopify store, ensuring a seamless experience for both you and your customers. Let's dive right in and explore this process step by step. First, you'll need to begin by installing the Qikink app on your Shopify store. To do this, you'll want to navigate to the Qikink Print-on-Demand app on the Shopify App Store. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and heading straight to the Shopify App Store. It's helpful to use the search function within the store to quickly locate the Qikink app. This ensures you're getting the official and up-to-date version of the app, which is crucial for compatibility and performance. Once you have found the Qikink Print-on-Demand app, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the button labeled Add App. This will prompt you to log into your Shopify account, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Enter your information and ensure that you are logging into the account associated with the store you want to integrate Qikink with. As soon as you're logged in, you'll be guided through a series of prompts designed to install the app on your store. These steps will ensure that all the necessary permissions are granted for Qikink to function effectively within your Shopify ecosystem. It's important to pay attention here, as granting the correct permissions is what allows the app to access your store's data and helps streamline the entire order fulfillment process. As you follow these prompts, you'll notice Shopify's intuitive interface makes the installation process straightforward. Throughout the installation, you may see requests for access to certain store data like product inventory, order details, and customer information. These requests are standard for apps that manage inventory and process orders, so you can feel confident proceeding. It's also a good idea to have your store's settings handy in case you need to refer to specific details during the installation. After the installation of the Qikink app is complete, be sure to take a few moments to familiarize yourself with its dashboard and features. This approach will help you understand how to effectively manage your products, customize their design options, and efficiently process orders using the Qikink platform. By integrating Qikink with your Shopify store, you're effectively opening up a whole new world of opportunities for expanding your product range with print-on-demand options. This brings versatility and creativity to your store, setting you apart from competitors. Now that you've successfully integrated these two platforms, you're well on your way to offering unique, custom-printed products to your customers with minimal effort on your part. Thank you for joining me today, and happy selling!